In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer SeatGeek tickets to StubHub. If you sold tickets on StubHub that are currently sitting in your SeatGeek account, the process is pretty straightforward. The main idea is that you first complete the sale on StubHub, then use the buyer information from that sale to transfer the tickets through SeatGeek, and finally confirm everything back in StubHub so your payment can move forward. Start by going to StubHub and signing into your account. Once you're in, list your SeatGeek tickets for sale on StubHub. Make sure the event and ticket details match what you actually have in SeatGeek, since accuracy is important when you're selling tickets through a marketplace. After your listing is live, wait until the tickets are purchased. Once the sale is completed, the next thing you need to do is get the buyer's transfer information. In your StubHub account, open My Sales and select the completed sale. There, StubHub will provide the buyer's email address. This is the information you'll use for the transfer, so it's important to use it exactly as shown. Now head over to SeatGeek. You can do this either in the SeatGeek app or on the website. Sign into the account that contains the tickets you sold, then go to the Tickets or My Tickets section so you can view your available events. From there, choose the event connected to the tickets you just sold. Open that event and tap Transfer. If you don't see a transfer option, that usually means the event organizer has restricted transfers, so the tickets may not be eligible to send this way. If the transfer option is available, select the specific ticket or tickets that were sold. Then enter the buyer's email address exactly as provided by StubHub. This part matters because even a small typo can delay delivery. After that, review the transfer details carefully to make sure you selected the correct seats and the correct recipient. When everything looks right, tap Transfer or Send to complete it. After the tickets have been sent from SeatGeek, go back to your StubHub account, open the sold order again, and if StubHub asks you to confirm that you've transferred the tickets, go ahead and do that. This helps update the order status and lets StubHub know the delivery has been completed. At that point, StubHub will verify the transfer. Once the transaction is fully completed, your payout will be processed based on StubHub's payment schedule. And that's how to transfer SeatGeek tickets to StubHub.